Hello, my name is Kristian. Today I'm going to talk about the Greek mythological. I call it the Greek mythological because it's named after one. Basically, that's as simple as that. So where is Io located? Io is located with Jupiter, and it's one of Jupiter's moons. Um, and it's actually the moon that's closest to Jupiter. So the other moons are called Ganymede, Europa, and Callisto, and they're further away than Io. Uh, so how big is Io compared to Earth, for example? Well, Io is 41,910,000 kilometers, and that's big, right? It's really big. But then again, Earth is 509,910 kilometers. So there we get a perspective about how big planets are in general and the difference between Earth and Io. So Earth is 468 million, not times, but 468 kilometers bigger than Io. And I wasn't really surprised by this because Io is a moon and Earth is a planet. It's obvious that Earth is gonna be bigger because it's a planet, not a moon. Um, but don't get me wrong, Io is a big moon, but it's still not a planet, so that's why we also don't call it a planet. So what is Io made of? Io is made of silicate rocks, which you can find in mountains here, and sorry, mountains there. It's not regular mountains, it's 400 volcanoes actually on Io, and that takes up a lot of space. So that's why we say that Io is made by silicate rocks because of all the volcanoes. Uh, and just in our mountains is um, made by silicate rocks, and it contains different acids and salts. So does the volcanoes on. Wow, I really have to learn this. Um, So does the mountains on Io or the volcanoes. And in the air, it's a blend of sulfur and sulfur dioxide, frost. The reason why I call it frost is because it's really cold on Io because it's located with Jupiter, and that's far away from the sun. So that's why we call it a frost. So why Io? Well, I've heard about IO before and I've been constantly bumping into it on the internet and yeah, in presentations like these. So I just decided that I wanted to learn more about it, I guess. And it's included in the game that I'm playing. It's called Destiny. And yeah, it's a really fun game. That's why I wanted to learn more about it because it was presented really well in this game. Um, yeah. In conclusion, Io is located with Jupiter. Io is made by silicate rocks, and Io is included in the game that I'm playing, and I've bumped into it before. That's why I wanted to talk about it. So here's my sources. It's Wikipedia and SNL mostly. Um, and thanks for your attention.